Hey, so today I'm going to show you, you see these mucus coming out? I know, it's a little gross, but I have to explain. See these mucus, okay? This is when you are sick or when you eat certain things and you feel that slimes in your throat and stuff like that. The quickest way to solve, well, I find the quickest way to solve it, and this probably apply to cold as well. If you have a cold, you can solve this as well when you have a lot of mucus. All you need is baking soda. Get a baking soda, get a spoonful, a teaspoon, not too much, okay? Just a teaspoon and a cup of water. Okay? Put them in a jug like this and shake it up. And all you have to do is drink a gulpful with it. Within about 15 minutes to an hour, you're gonna start discharging a lot, and you can actually just hack that up. What I discovered is that somehow baking soda and water, somehow it makes your body to go into like a gooey, and that's how you're able to spit them out. And also too, by doing that, somehow it actually clear your throat. Not your throat, but your nose as well. So whatever it is in the baking soda, it's grabbing it, and then it makes into like a gooey that you can spit out, or it will have less stuffy nose or whatever. So it actually solves stuffy nose as well. Yes, you heard it right. Solve stuffy nose. If you feel like your mouth is really slimy, if you feel like you're having a cold, or you have, not feeling, but you have a cold and you have the slimes coming out, gooey stuff coming out of your nose, that is actually a discharge. Okay, I might explain that into another video later. Why actually, yes, I discover a way and explain how we actually get a cold. That's, I'm probably the first person in the world would explain this to you too. But I'll just link that later when I make the video here. But this video is about how to get rid of your mucus, I would say mucus, slimes, whatever you call it, in your body. Or in this case, your body is discharging. All you need is simple, just baking soda and drink a gulp. That's it. And within 15 minutes to an hour, you start to release the mucus from your nose, you will see start to release, and then you can just go like that, and you would see little slimes coming out. Then you can spit that out. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful. I know, I'm sorry that it's a little disgusting, but this is considered medical. Nothing is disgusting in medical world. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on the video, and I hope you find this is useful. And when you have a cold and you have a lot of slimes, or you eat something and it's have a lot of slime, mucus, slime, whatever you call them, it's actually a discharge. Okay, I found out that this is a discharge, and like I said, I'll explain that in another video later. It'll be a little longer, and I have to sit down on that one. But anyway, this is a short video, tell you how to get rid of it. Okay, other than that, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next video.